Hi everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. So, in our previous video, we have learned how you can import a file from Tekla Structural Designer to Tekla Structures. And today we will see whether we can do modification in such imported files or not. So first of all, I will go to the wireframe view. I will select my stirrup and then I will change the spacing of the stirrups so that I can know whether modification is possible in Tekla structures or not. And you can see here the spacing has been changed. So in today's video, we have learned that modification in an imported model in Tekla structure is possible. And if you want to join our professional training for Tekla Structures, then you can just give a call on this number. And in this training, we will cover all these points like how you can study the structural drawings, introduction of Tekla structures, creation of the grid lines, modeling, application box, reinforcement detailing, drawings, and also the report generation, that is rebar scheduling. So that was all for today. See you in the next video.